Depression in teenager is a harsh reality, and depression in teenager can present with different forms. I have seen sometimes teenagers presenting with change in their schedule of sleeping or eating. Sometimes they are eating too much, or sometimes they are not eating. And similarly, sometimes they are sleeping too much, and sometimes they are sleep deprived. Sometimes they are restless, irritated, and get agitated on very small things with teachers, parents. And sometimes they are unable to pay attention, their school performance is going down. And sometimes teacher complains, oh, he's not paying attention, he's not listening to me, he is different. And sometimes the school performance is going down. And sometimes the kid presents with attention deficit symptoms. But we always say, always talk to your kid, always observe your kid, and always talk to your kid. Sometimes the kid is taking selfie in school with a smiling face, but actually maybe he's fighting with depression and he needs help. So what I recommend to all the parents is always talk to your kid. And if you are not comfortable talking to the kid, take to a kid to somebody, either a physician or a teacher or a counselor whom he can trust. If your kid will trust to somebody, then he or she will open up. And when she or he will open up, then they will discuss what problem, what difficulties, what hardships they are going. And this is also a reality that these days the teenagers are under more stress as compared to 10 years ago. So we need to address them. We always say, see a doctor, get a help. Every life matters, and yours also. Please feel free to ask any question. Thanks.